go. There's a nice little car in the driveway.
Yeah.
Where are we on here?
We just hit a unscheduled sale.
That's it.
Oh, is that it? Okay. Well, you're supposed to be
we're on
guiding me here.
Worked out. We got it here.
Yeah. Barely.
Neither one of us was driving.
Almost passed it.
Yeah. So that is cute.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just little tiny. Aww. That's cute.
65.
Yeah, it's single though. No. Too rough.
Yeah, it's a nice car, hey? It's a Ford.
Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, look, that one too.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
No, I don't think
Hard to tell what that is.
I know. Oh, I like this. Do you like this for our yard?
Yeah, it's kind of neat.
Ooh. I guess I could oil it. It wouldn't do that.
Well, I don't know if the wind would really catch it.
There's 11 there.
That's cool. I like that.
I said if they take them all, clean them
Some of those fire extinguishers. We've got like 3 or 4 of those.
Yeah.
Stand in the fire to shake this powder out of the fire and put it out.
I know.
Yeah, if you like that.
Let's see.
Not sure why they felt they had to disguise it at night. No, on the end, right at the bottom. Oh, and then there's a handle there that you crank. It's that old style, charger style.
I think that would look good.
Yeah, okay.
What's this, Mexico here?
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
Oh. Okay, well you hold it then, I'll get some money out. Oh, what about those frames? I need those too, and that lamp.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let me just have a look at the lamp. Oh, did you pull it apart?
I did.
No to the lamp, and then yes to the frames,
Yes, to
I
those
think.
2 frames?
Yeah.
Here, you grab one.
She makes them.
I didn't,
I didn't even see them.
no, I didn't either until right to the last minute there.
Okay.
They're only $15.
Okay, so how much we got here?
I don't know if you can take them.
10.25, so
That one's 5, is it? Oh, there
yeah.
it is.
I think 20 for everything.
Sure, you
think
can
I'll
offer that.
Where did, to the
Wanna go
dude?
talk to the guy?
Yeah, sure. These ones look busy. Anything else I'm missing? How did we not see that when we walked in? I guess that trunk was kind of in the way. It's interesting. I like this part.
Yeah.
But the chrome is just in
It's
bad
done, yeah.
condition. Yeah, it needs to be painted or something, and I don't want to do that.
Car stalls and those. Find some stuff you like?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, what do we got? 5 and I can't remember what this 10. 10, so 25.
Just take 20?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
20 is perfect.
That's what we thought too. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy this stuff. I'm glad somebody
Yeah.
can use it.
All right.
Have a good day, guys.
Thanks, you
Happy
too.
garage sale.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, that bed is sure cute, but
Yeah.
Like if you had a kid, it'd be perfect. Yeah, these are great.
Yeah.
No glass. Glass is almost always gone,
Yes.
which is too bad, but oh my gosh.
Oh, no, that's crazy.
Well, and like, looks like a lot of stuff during the day there. Okay.
Okay.
Well, we got a trio of old frames
We
today,
did, yeah.
which is nice. I haven't come
Church
across
sale.
too many in the last little while here. So, to see if I have some glass at home to fit them.
You want to just stick this in the back of the truck?
Sure, can kind of lay it down if you, yeah. Should be okay, I think.
Yep.
I wonder if I need to.
Good job. Okay.
I think that'll be okay. Okay,
On
ready?
to the next.
Yes. Okay. Wonder what was there at 9.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. I was like, where is it?
Yeah.
Like, I can see all the houses.
Okay.
Ooh, lots of kids stuff.
Lots of kids stuff.
Oh, there's some furniture stuff too. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay.
Check it out.
This one is multifamily.
Okay.
Sorry, I don't think I said anything about it. $5? Nah. It's newer, I think. Matchbox. Oh yeah.
And the little box beside too.
Oh yeah. Oh, right here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but they're all fairly new, eh?
Yeah. Plate. I think I'll get these.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to look with that.
That's Eaton's catalog cover pictures.
Oh. Oh.
Boy, oh boy. Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, I see. Nice.
Oh, yeah, so they're maybe limited edition there, yeah. 500 out of 2,000.
Oh, yeah. Neat.
Gotta-
They're so nice. So elegant. I hope hats come back. I like hats.
I think they are coming back.
I'm going to try and single-handedly bring them back. Who's the money?
SJ2.
Okay.
Thank you.
I should know that she is, right? Yeah, okay.
Well, I was here last time I had the garage sale at the end of April. Where were you?
Some are in Calgary and some are in Winnipeg.
Wow. I'm just saying because you have all of their stuff here.
Then
Yeah,
the kids
that
come,
one is
they
an
bring
AF.
more stuff.
So
See that? Look at there's
that's
some engraving on there. You got it? Or?
Regalia. It's from Ontario.
Oh, the regatta.
The regatta.
Oh.
So
Neat.
that was the
1886.
something, or I don't think it was a trophy, but it was
College.
something that was made as
St. John's College Regatta.
Oh,
1886, and then somebody's initials on there. Interesting. This is a dog.
Oh yeah.
and there's a windmill on the one side, and it's the other side. There's dogs.
Dogs and a guy on a horse.
Yeah. And a tree. It must all.
Related somehow, but
And
yeah,
I think the handle is a dog.
It is a dog. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is very interesting. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Yeah, I liked that picture because of the lid.
So I don't know if the camera was going when you bought those spoons.
Yeah, so I think.
You think they're sterling?
Yeah.
Well,
they have the
I
other
imagine
ones.
you must have thought they were sterling.
They have the
if
other
you bought
ones
them.
marked as silver, but I don't. They weren't.
I know my battery was severely low there.
Yeah, yeah. So they're so tarnished. But like that could be silver because there's just those 3 marks there.
Okay. Yeah.
There's 3 marks there, but they're so dirty that I can't. I'm not sure. And this is the one that I thought. I don't know. Maybe not. But just a little like butter knife thing. And there's 3 little marks on the back. And this one says Bengal silver. So I'll have to look that up.
What'd you pay for all those?
$2.
That's worth it
But
to gamble.
this is nice. Even the spoon part is nice. And then this one looks interesting. This one is plated.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. It's kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Anyway, for $2, so 50 cents each.
That's all right.
Yeah.